Hi friends, welcome to Teja Interesting Facts episode number 3. In this video, I will tell some interesting facts for you. Video will be amazing and interesting, so watch till end. Let's start our video. A tiger mother lost her cubs after some time when they born. The tiger mother was so sad and it was in the risk of death. The zoo staff searched for her cubs entire the world, but the tiger population was very less, so they couldn't find the another cubs. What they done was she was given a piglets wrapped in the tiger's cloth. She now loves these pigs and treats them as her babies. But some bad guys who are killing tigers for the skin and teeth as they expensive, they should be given strict punishment. As per GTF, global tiger forms worldwide tiger population is about 3,900. In that, India has the largest population, about 2,967, was announced by our Indian Prime Minister Modi. There was a Russian dog whose owners were killed in car accident. Many people tried to adopt him because his owners were died, but he refused and he waited for his owners for 7 years and he also died in same place where his owners were died. Such a great dog. A man crying in the picture is the owner of the monkey and the duck. They have been good friends since birth. The monkey was playing around when it came contact into a live wire on the ground and got electrocuted. The duck heard the monkey screaming and tried to help by getting the wire off from the monkey but also get electrocuted. Both of them were born best friends and died best friends. If you have been using a shower head for a long time, you might notice some kind of plague on it that can be dangerous for health. Scientists found that there can be bacteria on the shower head that can be cause lung diseases. You might have to change it or clean it. A 28-year-old man from Russia went to the doctor after coughing up blood and having chest pains. The doctor thought he had cancer and performed surgery to remove it. When they removed the cancer, they found it was actually a tree growing inside him. It was pine tea. Seed was growing into a plant. He is the luckiest man, and the reason why he miracle in his life is nothing but these stones which he holding in his hand. They are not ordinary gemstones worth $3.35 million. Yes, this Tanzanite man became a overnight millionaire by these stones. The smallest fruit in the world is the size of an ant, which is commonly known as Asian watermill. Discovery Science Channel claimed that Ramses is the superhuman achievement that was constructed 5,000 years ago. Even Great Wall of China is disappeared from the sky, but Ramses is clearly visible even today. Columbia University has developed an artificial tree that passively soaks up carbon dioxide from the air using leaves. They are 1,000 times more efficient than true leaves that use photosynthesis. There was a war between boats and human Australian army in 1932 known as the Great Emu War, and the Australian army lost this war. Famous TV character Nobita is based on real life of a boy Nobita who was suffering from disease of schizophrenia. He used to imagine Doraemon and talk to him. His friends made him fun of him. At the age of 16, he committed to suicide due to mental pain. The engine used in Bugatti Chiron is so powerful as that if used at full capacity, so could be used to launch rockets. The price of petrol in Sri Lanka is 63.15 per liter and the India is approximately 85 per liter. But the funny thing is that Sri Lanka buys petrol from India. The most expensive school in the world is Institute of Le Rossi in Switzerland. It costs $87 in tuition fees. The school has 400 students enrolled with 150 teachers. Japanese scientists successfully created MRI machine that can record your dreams and reconstruct for you to watch while you are awake. Okay friends, this is the today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to know about something mysteries or questions, please comment below. Friends, have a nice day.